Look up. Every star you see tells a story of distance and time. Some of their light has traveled millions of years to reach your eyes, crossing unimaginable expanses. But let me ask you this, what is the true size of the universe? And here's the twist, could its vastness hold answers to the biggest questions humanity has ever asked? By the end of this video, we'll tackle a revelation that might leave you questioning everything you know about existence. Let's start local. Earth, our home, is 12,742 kilometers across, a beautiful, fragile sphere suspended in the void. Orbiting us at 384,400 kilometers is the Moon. Sounds far, right? To put it in perspective, you could line up about 30 Earths between us and the Moon. But that's just the first step in our cosmic journey. When Apollo 11 astronauts stood on the Moon in 1969, they saw Earth as a tiny, glowing marble. They were the first humans to realize just how small and isolated we are in the vastness of space. Let's zoom out. The solar system is dominated by the Sun, a blazing ball of hydrogen and helium so massive that it accounts for 99.86% of the system's total mass. Orbiting it are 8 planets, countless moons, and millions of smaller objects like asteroids and comets. But here's something mind-blowing. If you shrank the Sun to the size of a basketball, Earth would be a tiny grain of sand orbiting it at a distance of about 30 meters. In 1990, the Voyager 1 spacecraft turned its camera back toward Earth from 6 billion kilometers away. The result? A picture of our planet as a barely visible speck in the vastness of space. Now, let's expand our view. Our solar system resides in the Milky Way galaxy, a colossal structure 100,000 light-years across. A light-year is the distance light travels in a year, about 9.46 trillion kilometers. So, crossing the Milky Way at light speed would take 100,000 years. And here's the kicker, the Milky Way contains over 100 billion stars, many of them with planets orbiting them. It's mind-boggling to think that somewhere out there, among these billions of stars, there could be other civilizations looking back at us. But the Milky Way is just one galaxy in a sea of billions. The Hubble Space Telescope has revealed that the observable universe contains at least 2 trillion galaxies. Each of these galaxies is a massive collection of stars, gas, and dust, some stretching millions of light-years across. Think about this, the area captured in the Hubble Deep Field is about the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length. Yet within it, there are thousands of galaxies. Multiply that by the entire sky, and the scale becomes almost incomprehensible. The universe isn't just random chaos, it has structure. Galaxies are grouped into clusters, which in turn form superclusters. These superclusters connect to create the cosmic web, a vast network of filaments stretching across the observable universe, spanning 93 billion light-years. This web-like structure is shaped by dark matter and gravity, and it's the scaffolding upon which the universe is built. But here's the wild part, the observable universe might be only a fraction of the whole. Beyond what we can see lies the unobservable, a realm we may never fully understand. So, let's ask the big question, are we alone? In a universe so vast, with trillions of planets, the odds seem to favor the existence of other intelligent life. But if they're out there, why haven't we found them, or been found by them? This is the heart of the Fermi Paradox, a question that has puzzled scientists for decades. Are we too early in the timeline of the universe to meet other civilizations? Or are the distances simply too great to overcome? But what if the universe is just one of many? The idea of the multiverse suggests that our universe might be a tiny bubble in an infinite ocean of other universes. Each one could have different physical laws, different constants, and perhaps even different forms of life, or no life at all. If the multiverse exists, it raises profound questions about reality itself. Are we a cosmic accident? Or is life a fundamental part of existence? The size of the universe isn't just a scientific fact, it's a perspective shift. It reminds us how small we are, yet how extraordinary it is that we exist at all. In a cosmos so vast, every moment, every thought, and every discovery becomes more precious. So, what do you think? Are we alone in this infinite cosmos? Or is there something, or someone, out there waiting to be found? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.